Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's called Night Does Programming. So it's basically a simple channel made for me personally. I can teach you programming on my way, like how I can do it. I learn in the easy way. So I thought I would share you how I learn. Okay. So my first program will be quite simple. So I'm going to show you the basics. So I've already started, as you can see. So I added two header files. It's called include stdio.h, include conio.h. So stdio.h is nothing but standard input output.h, and include conio is nothing but conditional input output.h. So basically what this stdio.h does is it can get your input and output, whatever you give the input, whatever you give the output, it stores in here. Okay, all the functions the library needed to get the input and output is done there. And with the include conio.h is conditional IO. So if, else if, elif, or else, so whatever program is that. So we'll get to that later. So we'll do a small program. So we did void main. So this is nothing but a function. So every program that we execute is done inside a function. So we are doing it inside the void main function, and I'll let you know after that. So void main. So we are doing printf hello there. So it's basically the most uh, basic program you could ever think of that exists in the programming world actually. So as you can see, I've used this getch. It's because it usually the function starts with the argument. So we have not passed any argument. That's why we said here it's a void. So it might be confusing if you're hearing it for the first time, but as you go on later, you get to know about the functions and arguments with no argument. I mean, that's a whole other story. So we'll leave it at that. So we're printing hello there. So let's compile and see. So we have to compile to make sure there's no errors. So you can see there's a success. So now we run it. So we run it. You can see it says hello there, so it's working fine. It's working fine. So the one more thing I have to do is I'll just run it again. So what do you think? Will there be any error? No, but you can see here, I'll show you. It's printing it for the second time. So it doesn't refresh the previous execution. So what you have to do is you add a clear screen option here, that then if you run it now, this runs it again. So if you're running it again, it just it clears the previous execution. So if you start a program in C or in C plus, I guess in C, you gotta make sure this is like the main basic. Without this, I'll show you. Wait. So without this is the basic outlay of a small like simple program. So this is the must things which you need to have. So for the first program ever, for the easiest program ever, we're gonna do is eligibility of a person to vote. So if person can, so this what I've done is I put a hash, a star, and ended with a star and a hash. So this is nothing but a comment. So this is for our own benefit. Like you comment in a video, or you add a sticky note. So this is the same thing like that. So I've just given the name of the program as eligibility of a person to vote, and we have done this. So we have this ready up and going. So let's go to my clear screen below. Okay. So so first, if you think about it, you need to get the input of the age, right? So we check by the age. So we'll put integer age. So so you put int age here. So you're going to get an input of the age. As you've done that, you have to get the input, right? So printf enter your age. So we are getting the input of the age from the user who's using this program. So you do that and scanf percentile d comma and percentage age. So basically what is going on here is you have declared a variable called age with the we have given the value as integer because age is a number and it is an integer. So given the age factor here, we have said printf, we are showing in the screen like enter your age. Alright, so I'll go step by step actually. So if you try to run this now, it'll say enter your age, but you can't type anything. I'm trying to type it again, I'll show you again. I'm trying to type it, but I can't do anything. It just take me out. So you're getting the scanf function, and you're doing percentage %t, comma, and percentage name. So this is nothing but this percentage %t. It it's an like a statement you can say to get the input of the age. So it stores the number here, and this number will go back to the age. So whatever you put in the thing here, like the age here, will take you back to the integer age. So it will store the value in age. I'll let you know what will go on. So if I'm running it right now, so it says error. I didn't put scan. Okay, scanf. So we're running. What? Oh, sorry. So age. Okay. So we put the age as 12. So now I can't come. So I was able to store the age, right? So it was searching. The program came till here, and it just stopped because there's nothing other instruction given. So now the main function starts. I mean the main program starts. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, that means you have to print the thing like this person is eligible to vote, right? So start there. So and if it's not, you put else. Printf he can't vote. I mean that's it guys, like this is a program here that's simple most program you can ever search for it. So what is going on here, I'll get you through it. So you're getting the age, you're declaring integer age, you're getting the age value, you put it as 12 in case, so it'll go and store it here. So now if it comes here, the program will check if age, that is 12 here, is greater than or equal to 18. It will say no it's not, so it'll go to else condition. So if it comes to else condition, I mean if he's not above 18, I mean he can't vote, so it just prints this thing. So if he's above 18, so just in case if you put here 24, so enter your age, you put 24, so it'll take you back here and it'll store the age value here. Then it'll come here, it'll check if 24 is greater than or equal to 18. Yes it is, so it'll print this factor. So now if you try to run it, so age, so I'm putting 12 as I said previously, he can't vote. And if I put again 24, this person is able to vote. So this is the most simple, most program you can start with by getting input functions, output functions, if and else condition, and there's more programs coming in your way, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, make sure you like it and subscribe to my channel. It's an upcoming growing channel and I'm trying to get better to it. And yeah, if there's any suggestions, I'm very much open to it. So thank you for watching.